Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again here to show you some cool stuff. What I want to do today guys is show you how to easily remove the background of an image within Adobe Photoshop. What I have here is an image of this lady with this blue background, and what I want to do very easily is I want to remove the background from this image. Okay, so with the layer highlighted, what I'm going to do is make sure it's unlocked. If you find that it's unlocked, make sure you click the padlock and unlock it. And what I need to do is go to my properties window here. And if you scroll right down to the bottom here, you can see you have the remove background option. So now if I click that, fantastic. Photoshop has removed the background for me. And what they've done here is they've created a layer mask for me. So if I press shift and click on the layer mask to disable it, as you can see, the background still exists, but now we've applied a mask over our image to now create our own background. So I may come through and add a gradient adjustment layer. Let's quickly build this quickly. So probably going to take this, make that to 100% now. Wonderful. And we're probably going to go for like a bluey kind of color to match the lady's shirt. And then we'll come to this one here also, and we'll make that blue, but we'll do a lighter blue kind of feel for it. Okay. And now I can do a radial gradient now. Fantastic. And let's press OK, and let's just swap the layers around like so. And that's how easy, guys, it is to remove a background in Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, please take a look at our website, guys, at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.